Yo, DJ. Them don't know the World Boss program.
Yes, it's me again, miss. Yes, from the FedEx, yes. I called you this morning. Yeah. To claim the prize, yeah. You know the sum that you should send. It's about 305, yeah. I will be heading to Western Union about 389 or 360. Yeah, one of them. I'll get back to you when I'm going to Western. Oh, your prize is Honda Civic Prime and a 4-wheel boat. Yes, madam. Yes.
Yo, General, no, I want them phone, though.
Excuse.
Yo, I want them phone, brother.
Yo. Me not sell phone. Move.
Me never ask if you have cell phone. Me say me go want them. brother, give me that one here. Give me that one in the hand. Oh, you look like you can't talk, so what? Brother, oi. You laugh, so brother. Brother, you laugh, so give me the phone, brother. Give me this.
Alright, sir.
You can't talk.
Alright, sir. Alright, boy.
I'm on just brother.
A few moments later.
How you get too much phone, brother? Dog, I say I go up on my hands, dog. You see me on the road, so I see some boy on the phone like them a scammer. You see me? You just roll up on them black dog and move everything, brother. Like everything me move, dog. Something all off one now. You're bad charge, and not for you ask twice, brother. One upon her.
Charge them.
Yeah,
There.
Yo, kill them.
You see what me have here, brother? No money now run. Watch out. You see me fi collect your food and you man just cancel everything. Watch out.
Jaja.
Yo, me I tell you now, dog. Me and the dog sit down on the ends. You see me, dog, and the boy, one boy. You know some boy now blue hoodie sweater.
No.
Yes. Boy, come on, box me up.
Box you.
Box me up. And take one with 2 hour phone. You see me right now. You know me already. You know me.
You come go like see a bad man so brother for your bad up man brother.
Oh yourself.
All you.
Me I fix him, man. I fix him. Me just give him. I bet me Tony me not good. I bet me.
Man.
Make him go on. You see Fanny before. Hey, if you take no phone in a man, yeah, get it too. Some would advise you that no. Me done talk. Yo, you just find the dog for me, you see me?
Yeah, man, that's right.
Just find him.
That's right, we see him, we make you know what going on.
Yeah, man.
Know yourself, you see me?
Hold it back.
No, brother. Me don't want no man over here, me brother.
Well, I already have them there.
No. Where you going?
Charge, come here. Come here, charge. Charge.
Yo.
I want to tell you something. Just buck up on the boy around, so.
How am I saying?
Just buck up on the boy around, so the phone, brother.
That's
I want. Brother, the phone him, dog. The phone, dog, and the iPhone and the Samsung.
Yeah.
I shot the boy some boxes, brother.
Brother, so I'm run up on the boy, I'm going to grab him, so. I'm shot him the first two. I two for the boy, poke out. Shoot out, give me a nip. This brother, I give him 5 bucks. And him
You see,
the next one, them.
you see me come keep, you see Tom and Jerry.
Yo.
Brother, I say.
Brother,
But me not care, he still a get it. You see him box me, he still a get it. But he back me laugh. Yo, you still a get it. Me no know who.
Yo, oh God, man.
No. And the boy box me.
Brother,
I not 600
Thank you, life on 6, brother. We not say 6, brother.
Yo.
15 bucks we give him a while ago, brother.
You don't care back from me, I go kill him. Me I told him me not go.
No, brother, you can't go call back a client, brother.
Me not call, no, me I go, him I go get it. Me I fix him. Come.
Sure. Oh, you should call down, dog.
Yo, is it money you should have used dog and sell the phone them and buy a garden, brother?
I tell me, me didn't tell you, brother. We sell your iPhone, the brother. The iPhone are in the place, and the brother. You can't get one bike for that, brother.
Yeah, yo, brother, you should have all your
Sure.
Die. Yeah. Die.
3 days later.
Yo! Where you did it, brother? Brother, can work like you done everything. Man, they say I'm going to turn him in a goat. Brother, how are you everything? Oh! Sabi nyo? Abi you! You box me! Yes, good! You box me!